Kind of like got a bit sidetracked, didn't we, the other day? And we're having a chat with all our YouTube mates. And then Luke from Luke's Vanlife came up and said, do you know what, guys, it'd be great if we did like a Christmas message from everyone. So we thought, okay, like a Christmas special.
Yep.
So YouTube Vanlife Christmas special.
Christmas special. Got to love it.
Yeah. So everyone's done their little recorded bits. You might have seen other people's videos by now. We're all allocated a time slot today to put out our little video based on the alphabet. So we might be first.
We're second.
Are we second?
Yeah,
right,
you've not seen the list, John.
I've not seen the list yet.
Yeah, so we only would have seen one person's video with a different message, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there you go. So please do watch everyone's video though, because it's going to be slightly different, obviously, because it's going to be their view on it and everything else.
Yeah, everyone's editing their own, so it's really good for that.
Yeah. So we just wanted to say that we wish you all a very, very, very Merry Christmas. And
my bit.
And your bit.
And the happiest of New Year's and everything that you could wish for in 2020.
Yeah.
And hope that wherever you are, if you're in your van, or in a house, or in between the two, doesn't really matter, whichever you do, have a wonderful time.
Yeah, and if you're visiting your family, obviously enjoy that time. We have been visiting all our family.
We're getting a 2-week-long Christmas with all the visiting we're getting, which is wonderful. But the next few days just going to be spent with daughter and grandson and son-in-law, which we're looking forward to, so it'll be lovely. Yeah, so we've got our special Christmas stuff on. I made me
a little Christmas camper van.
This is my handmade Christmas jumper. See, all the sewing skills, not really, but
well, it's cool. So as this is all Luke's idea, I think it's befitting that Luke's video is next.
Yes.
So from us, have a very happy Christmas.
And a wonderful New Year.
Yep, and we shall see you on our normal video on Saturday.
Yes.
Bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Luke from Luke's Vanlife, and I just want to say I hope you have a fantastic Christmas and New Year's, and your 2020 will be awesome. I know mine is looking to be pretty exciting, so can't wait for it. I hope you have a good one. Take care, bye bye.
Hi guys, Darren from the Urban Motorhome. I just want to say a massive Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to the best community there is on YouTube. You guys are awesome, and I'll catch you in 2020. Have a great one, guys. Bye.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
This is a message to all of those who, for whatever reason, are not going to be celebrating at this time of year. I get it. I understand. As bleak as it seems, focus on the positives, because there are positives. We've got a new decade coming up, a new fresh start, and things will get better. Don't spend the holidays alone. Have a good one.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
We're at the world famous Trevi Fountain here in Rome. Hope you can hear us above the noise of the fountain. Christmas is a time for spending it with family and friends. However, for us, this is the first time we've ever spent it away, and we're really missing everybody. So just wanted to say very happy Christmas to everyone, and thank you to everyone who's subscribed to our channel during the year and all the lovely messages that you've left us. I hope you all have an absolutely fantastic Christmas and best wishes for the new year. Happy Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, we're John and Tash from Life Beyond Bricks. Just wanted to wish you all a very happy Christmas and have a happy new year.
Yeah, however you choose to spend Christmas and whoever you spend it with, we hope you have a fantastic time. We just want to say thank you to everybody for all your support so far this year. It's been awesome. And yeah, we wish you a healthy, happy and prosperous new year.
Have a good one.
Merry Christmas, everybody! Have a great Christmas, and we'll see you in 2020. Thanks for all your views, and great to meet so many of you at the meetups, and we'll see lots more of you at the meetups in 2020. Thanks again for watching. See you soon. Say goodbye, Louis.
Bye-bye. Say goodbye, Louis.
Thank God for that. I only watch it for Louis. The other two are just poo pickers.